Today, we will discuss some important laboratory abbreviation related to the enzymes. So many enzymes are utilized in the laboratory. So being a lab person, it is important to understand that name of enzyme. From the name of enzyme, we can understand it is working over which substrate or which product will be generated or which type of reaction will occur. That basic idea we can get from that name of enzyme or full form of that enzyme. Simple, that SGPT, that is commonly utilized or advised investigation for the biochemistry. So that is serum glutamate pyruvate transaminase, that is full form of the SGPT. Same way it is also called as serum glutamic pyruvic transaminase. So simply it is related to the molecule glutamic acid and pyruvic acid. Also that reaction, that is transaminase, that is belonging to the transferase type of class. The another name of this SGPT, that is called the alanine aminotransferase. These both are alternatively utilized. So exactly that IUBMB classification of this SGPT or ALT, that is EC 2.6.1.2, 2 that is belonging to the transferase class of the enzyme. Further, full form of the SGOT, that is serum glutamic oxaloacetic transaminase or serum glutamate oxaloacetate transaminase. Now same as the SGPT, SGPT is called the ALT, same way SGOT, that is also called the AST. AST means aspartate amino transferase. So these four are basically indicating only two enzymes. SGPT is also called the ALT, same way SGOT is also called the AST. So aspartate amino transferase, that is also belonging to the EC 2.6.1.1. So both are quite similar in reaction and number is also nearby in this IUBMB classification. So ALP, full form of ALP, that is alkaline phosphatase. It is indicating this enzyme is maximally work in an alkaline medium. So name is given alkaline phosphatase. Same way as a ALP, there is another one enzyme, that is ACP, that is called acid phosphatase. One more enzyme, that is GGT, that is gamma glutamyl transferase. It is also involving in a reaction of the transferase. So these all are enzyme related to the liver profile. These all are also, we can say that enzyme panel of the liver function test. So that all full form you have to remember, because in routine practice mostly short form is utilized. Further, some important enzyme like ACAT, that is acyl CoA cholesterol acyl transferase. Same way LCAT, that is lecithin cholesterol acyl transferase. They have also some particular significance that also we will discuss later on. At present you have to remember ACAT and LCAT. A means acyl CoA and means lecithin. Otherwise rest of the thing is common, cholesterol acyl transferase. So that is about ACAT and LCAT. Same way COX, that is cyclooxygenase, that is belonging to the class 1. So it is involved in a oxidoreductase type of reaction. Same way COMT, that is catechol O methyl transferase, that is belonging to the class 2, that is transferase. Further, LDH, that is lactate dehydrogenase. Simply mostly the dehydrogenase type of enzyme, that is involved in a class 1 EC 1.1.1.27. Same another enzyme G6PD, glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase. So it is also belonging to the class 1 of the enzyme. Further, another important enzymes which is involved in a laboratory utilization, that is HRP, that is horseradish peroxidase. Basically this enzyme is commonly utilized in a ELISA. In ELISA also you will understand about the HRP, that is horseradish peroxidase. One more which is involved in a PCR polymerase chain reaction, that is TAC, that is Thermus aquaticus. Further, for the glucose estimation, most commonly utilized method, that is GOD-POD, that is glucose oxidase peroxidase. It is combination of two enzyme. GOD means glucose oxidase, POD means peroxidase. Further, ADH. Now ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone or vasopressin, that is one kind of hormone, but short form that is commonly utilized. But if you are saying about that particular ADH in the form of enzyme, you can say that alcohol dehydrogenase or acetaldehyde dehydrogenase, that is also utilized as an enzyme. CK, that is also called as CPK, that is creatine kinase. It is also belonging to the class 2, that is transferase. It is involved in a creatine to creatine phosphate and creatine phosphate to creatine formation. So these all are the some important enzyme abbreviation that is commonly utilized in the laboratory.